Miniature marvels of the water introducing crawfish. Crawfish, also known as crayfish or crawdads, are fascinating creatures that inhabit our freshwater ecosystems. These small yet mighty crustaceans are often overlooked, but they play a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of their environments. These small creatures, also known as crayfish or crawdads, are fascinating inhabitants of our freshwater ecosystems. They can be found in rivers, streams, lakes and ponds, where they make their homes among rocks, vegetation and muddy bottoms. Their presence is a sign of a healthy aquatic environment. Don't let their size fool you. Despite their small stature, crawfish are incredibly resilient and adaptable. They have evolved to survive in a variety of conditions, from fast-flowing rivers to stagnant ponds. Their ability to thrive in diverse habitats is a testament to their hardiness and versatility. These miniature lobsters are tougher than they look. Their bodies are equipped with 10 legs, including 2 powerful claws that they use for defense, hunting, and manipulating their environment. These claws are not just tools for survival. They are also a means of communication and interaction with other crawfish. With their 10 legs, including 2 powerful claws, they are well equipped to navigate their watery world. Their legs are not just for walking. They also help them burrow into the substrate, creating shelters and hiding spots. This behavior is essential for their protection and for finding food. Crawfish are invertebrates, meaning they lack a backbone. Instead, they rely on a hard exoskeleton for protection. This exoskeleton is made of chitin, a tough and flexible material that provides both support and defense against predators. Instead, they rely on a hard exoskeleton for protection. This exoskeleton is periodically shed and replaced as the crawfish grows, a process known as molting. Molting is a critical part of their life cycle, allowing them to increase in size and repair any damage to their exoskeleton. This armor plating is shed periodically as the crawfish grows, a process called molting. During molting, the crawfish is vulnerable to predators, but it is also a time of rapid growth and regeneration. After shedding their old exoskeleton, they quickly harden their new one, ready to face the challenges of their environment once again. Their coloration can vary greatly, from a muddy brown to a vibrant blue, depending on the species and their environment. This variation in color can provide camouflage, helping them blend into their surroundings and avoid detection by predators. Crawfish are true omnivores, their diet as diverse as their habitats. They feed on a wide range of organic matter, including algae, plants, insects, and even small fish. This diverse diet allows them to adapt to different food sources and thrive in various environments. They are opportunistic feeders, consuming algae, plants, insects, and even small fish. Their feeding habits play a crucial role in the ecosystem, helping to control the populations of other organisms and recycle nutrients back into the environment. This adaptability makes them important players in the delicate balance of their freshwater ecosystems. By feeding on a variety of organisms, they help maintain the health and stability of their habitats. Their presence is a key indicator of a thriving aquatic ecosystem. Join me as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of crawfish, exploring their habitats, life cycles, and the crucial role they play in our planet's biodiversity. From their unique behaviors to their interactions with other species, there is so much to discover about these incredible creatures. Stay tuned for an in-depth look at the life of crawfish and their importance in our natural world. A home among the rocks and reeds, crawfish habitats. Crawfish are remarkably adaptable creatures found in a variety of freshwater habitats across the globe. From sparkling streams to muddy swamps, these crustaceans have carved out a niche for themselves in diverse environments. One key requirement for crawfish is access to fresh water. They cannot tolerate saltwater environments. Therefore, you'll find them in lakes, ponds, rivers, streams, and even ditches. Shelter is another crucial element for crawfish survival. They are prey animals for many larger creatures, including fish, birds, and raccoons. To stay safe, they seek refuge under rocks, logs, and submerged vegetation. Crawfish also prefer habitats with soft, muddy bottoms. This type of substrate allows them to burrow and create their own shelters. These burrows provide protection from predators and extreme temperatures. The next time you find yourself near a freshwater source, take a moment to appreciate the hidden world beneath the surface. You might just be in crawfish country. Tiny tenants with a big impact crawfish in the ecosystem. Though small, crawfish play a vital role in the intricate web of life within their freshwater ecosystems. These fascinating creatures, often overlooked, are essential to maintaining the balance and health of their habitats. They're considered both predator and prey, their presence influencing the populations of both plants and animals around them. As predators, they help control the populations of smaller organisms, preventing any one species from becoming too dominant. As omnivores, crawfish consume a variety of food sources. This diverse diet allows them to adapt to different environments and conditions, making them resilient inhabitants of their ecosystems. Their diet includes decaying plant matter, algae, insects, snails, and even small fish. By consuming these materials, they help to keep their environment clean and free of excess organic matter. By feeding on detritus, they help to break down organic material, recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. This process is crucial for the health of the water and the organisms that live in it. Crawfish, in turn, become a food source for a variety of larger predators. This includes fish, birds, and even mammals, all of which rely on crawfish as a vital part of their diet. Fish, birds, snakes, raccoons, and even humans rely on crawfish as a source of sustenance. In many cultures, crawfish are considered a delicacy and are an important part of local cuisine. Their presence in the food chain helps to support a diverse range of species. This biodiversity is essential for the resilience and stability of the ecosystem. The burrowing behavior of crawfish also has significant ecological benefits. By digging into the riverbed, they create habitats for other organisms and help to aerate the soil. Their burrows provide shelter for other small aquatic creatures, increasing biodiversity in their habitat. These burrows can become safe havens for various species, offering protection from predators and harsh environmental conditions. Additionally, their burrowing activity helps to aerate the sediment, improving water quality. This aeration process allows for better oxygenation of the water, which is beneficial for all aquatic life. The next time you encounter a crawfish, remember that you are looking at a tiny creature with a big impact on its environment. Their contributions to the ecosystem are invaluable, making them true, unsung heroes of the aquatic world. Section 4. A crawfish's life from egg to dinner plate. The life cycle of a crawfish is a fascinating journey of growth, molting, and reproduction. These resilient creatures have adapted to thrive in a variety of aquatic environments, from freshwater rivers and lakes to swamps and marshes. Their journey begins as tiny eggs, often hidden away in the safety of their mother's care. From tiny eggs to fully grown adults, these crustaceans undergo remarkable transformations throughout their lives. The eggs hatch into larvae, which are miniature versions of the adults. These larvae must fend for themselves almost immediately, learning to navigate their watery world and find food. Reproduction typically occurs in the spring. This is when the water temperatures rise, signaling to the crawfish that it's time to mate. The males and females engage in a complex courtship ritual, which can be quite a spectacle to observe. After mating, the female crawfish carries the fertilized eggs attached to her abdomen, resembling a cluster of tiny grapes. These eggs are her precious cargo, and she will go to great lengths to protect them from predators and environmental hazards. She diligently protects these eggs until they hatch, providing them with oxygen and keeping them clean. This involves a constant fanning motion with her swimmerets, which helps to circulate water over the egg. Upon hatching, the miniature crawfish, called hatchlings, resemble tiny versions of their parents. These hatchlings are incredibly vulnerable and must quickly learn to hide from predators and find food. They remain attached to their mother for a short period, relying on her for protection and nourishment. This early stage of life is critical for their survival, as they are still developing the skills they need to thrive on their own. As they grow, crawfish must shed their exoskeletons in a process called molting. This is a vulnerable time for them, as their new exoskeleton is soft and takes time to harden. This process allows them to increase in size. Each molt is a significant event in the life of a crawfish, marking a new stage of growth and development. During molting, the crawfish is vulnerable to predators, as its new exoskeleton takes time to harden. They must find a safe place to hide during this period to avoid being eaten. Crawfish reach maturity within a year or two, depending on the species and environmental conditions. Once mature, they are ready to reproduce and continue the cycle of life. The lifespan of a crawfish can vary from 2 to 5 years in the wild. Their journey from egg to adult is a testament to their resilience and adaptability, making them a fascinating subject of study for biologists and nature enthusiasts alike. Section 5. The taste of tradition. Crawfish in human culture. Crawfish, with their delicate flavor and unique texture, have earned a special place in human cultures around the world. From traditional dishes to festivals celebrating these crustaceans, crawfish have become deeply intertwined with human history and cuisine. In many parts of the world, crawfish are considered a delicacy. They are often boiled with spices and served as part of festive gatherings, particularly in the southern United States. Crawfish boils are a beloved tradition, bringing people together to enjoy good food and company. Beyond their culinary appeal, crawfish also play a role in local economies. Crawfish trapping and farming provide livelihoods for many people. These industries contribute to the economic well-being of communities, particularly in regions where crawfish are abundant. The cultural significance of crawfish extends beyond their economic value. They are often featured in folklore, music, and art, reflecting their importance in the lives of the people who share their habitats.